I welcome you all to the first alumni dinner hosted by Pell. This initiative has been taken by our director, Mr. Shahbaz Zahir, and it was a very wonderful gesture which was well taken along all our alumni. And today you can see and you can witness that they have turned up in good numbers and they are all enjoying the night out here. And as we have perceived, that this will be a night in which we will all sit, share our old memories, relive those memories, and cherish our moments which we have spent with this company. So I think this is a very good initiative, and Pell will be taking more initiatives like this in times to come.
It's wonderful to have you back with us today. How does it feel returning to Pell and reconnecting with familiar faces?
Well, it's bringing back all the memories that I had here, and Pell still feels like a family to me. और Pell हमेशा जो है वो मेरी ज़िंदगी का हिस्सा रहेगा और मैं Pell का हिस्सा रहूँगा.
I started my career in Pell with 2007 and I left from this office in 2011. So it's nice to come back again.
अच्छा है, लोगों को मिलते रहना चाहिए और इंडस्ट्री में ये प्राइवेट कंपनी में तो पहली दफ़ा ऐसा कर और किसी कंपनी ने नहीं किया इस तरह से लोगों का ख्याल रखा कि बुलाया वरना तो लोग आते जाते रहते हैं भूल जाते हैं बहुत बड़ी बात है
Today I feel like I'm back to 2015. Like I started my career from Pell, that was in 2015, but I spent like 1 year over here and that 1 year was memorable.
What would you say is your fondest memory from your time here?
This was the 2009 seismic data acquisition in way back in 2009 in Mirpur Khas West. बहुत अच्छा टाइम गुजरा. तकरीबन 2 महीने मैंने कंटिन्यूसली फील्ड पे गुजारे थे. I completed the whole project.
Because Pell is like a home to me, and when I started my career, we work under the guidance of great explorationists like Maroof Saab, Mr. Azam, and I am not able to forget to mention the name of Sir Zahir, who carried out the legacy of this company till at this level.
I have served for 8 years in Pell, and during these times, my most fondest memory is getting hired at Pell as a trainee geologist because it was my first job after graduation.
In your view, what made Pell's work culture distinctive or memorable?
Pell is the basic platform for the beginners to give that platform for great learning, great experience. A person who is dedicated to work, he really can have a great experience to groom themselves and just make a good career ahead.
Very friendly environment, very cooperative colleagues, and very supportive management.
The thing is that there's a freedom of speech. You can express whatever you want.
Because it's like a brotherhood culture, because all are very close to each other. That is like a family to us, and we will never forget that.
How did your experience at Pell shape your professional journey moving forward?
मैं आज जहाँ पे ज़िंदगी में हूँ, wherever I am, it is just because of Pell. Pell has taught me so much. इसने मुझे professionalism सिखाया, etiquette सिखाए, और everything. Wherever I am, it is because of Pell.
That's the most important thing because I started my journey as a professional from Pell, and where I am standing today and what I am is all because of that professional experience that I garnered at my stay here at Pell.
Like I've told you before that Pell was my first company. Like I started from Pell, so Pell has groomed me, and whatever I am, it's because of Pell.
What message or suggestion would you like to share for Pell as it continues to grow and evolve?
Well, I feel that currently Pell is doing great, and definitely as they are moving on with new joint ventures, I would say that they are up till now doing great, and I wish them that they prosper a lot. Thanks a lot.
I would just like best wishes and best of luck for the future endeavors and Pell to grow in the field of exploration.
Pell is one of the best companies in Pakistan. जहाँ पे बंदा ग्रो कर सकता है, a lot of data, a lot of new opportunities. लोग सबसे अच्छी चीज़ यहाँ पे चीज़ जो environment था ना, is a wonderful for the new professionals.
I would like to give a message to everyone here, that whoever is working here, that you guys are lucky to be under Shehbaz Saab. Shehbaz Saab is not just a boss, he's a mentor.